Alright, so I think I'm recording. This is our last problem. We're looking at the graphs of functions. We're trying to identify intervals over which the function is increasing, decreasing, or constant. As we enter the graph and move from left to right, the first thing that we encounter is an arrow. That arrow is giving us two pieces of information. It's giving us information about the x-coordinates and about the y-coordinates. So as this is going as you're moving to the left, it's also going down. And on the right hand side, as you're moving to the right, it's also going up. We can relate the idea of an increasing, decreasing, or constant function to the idea of slope that we learned in Algebra 1. If you had a line segment that was like this, it would have positive slope. The rise over run is positive. Pick any two points in this yellow region. As x increases, y increases. We say that that's increasing. The output of this, the output is that this is an increasing function. That the y coordinates are increasing as x increases. Then there's a change. You begin to go, as you move to the right, you begin to go down. Then there's another change, and you begin to go up again. Since we have two separate regions in yellow, we'll need to connect them with a union. It's the word or. So if we use the x-coordinate of this point, which, let's go ahead, I don't know, that's I guess slightly to the left of -1. We'll just call it -1 for, if you called it -1.1 or -1.2, that's fine. I'll try to give you graphs on quizzes and tests that are not like these last two that are going through integer points. So it's increasing from -infinity up to, say, approximately -1, or since we call that -1, we'll call this one over here +1, going up to infinity. It's decreasing on this green portion for any 2 points in this green shaded region. As x increases, to stay on the graph, y has to go down. It's decreasing. So from -1 to +1, the x-coordinate at this point, the x-coordinate here at this point, the y values will be decreasing. It's never constant. If you rotate this 180 degrees, you'll see that the graph is the same, that you do have symmetry with respect to the origin. It's passing through the origin, and 180 degrees gets you the same graph. So it is an odd function. Well, I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you later.